Hi, this is Joe Finn, and today this is actually the second video I'm recording, but I'm putting it first because this is important stuff and I wanted to include it in the second video, but ran out of time. Anyway, so here's the first video. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about private blog networks, edu blogs, and my own bonus for Ian's product. And I will put a link underneath the video here to let you have the opportunity to buy this. Today is Monday, the June 4th, and as far as I know, the WSO that Ian put out for getting you your own set of edu blogs is closing very soon, so you should definitely consider getting it if you want to have a nice set of edu blogs. Let's see, here's Arizona State, Carleton University, Carnegie Mellon. That's, by the way, that's a PR9, I think. Liberty University, Oregon State University, that's a PR8. Purdue is a PR8. South Baylor is Baylor is a PR6 or 5. University of Minnesota is a PR7 or 8, and so on and so on. There's plenty. Anyway, so what can you do with those edu blogs and how to use them? So I advise using them very sparingly and gradually for your backlinking. It sure doesn't look natural if you have a complete new site and you have 7 or 8 edu weblogs pointing at your website. That's definitely not going to fly anymore after the Penguin update. That's just not natural and will red flag your site for backlink spamming. And all these blogs are do follow as far as I know, and they are allowing you to put your content in there, and they have very long-lasting um, pages, so your link is likely to last very long on these blogs. That's why Ian selected them, and I think that they would be a very good addition to any backlinking strategy. Of course, this is not the only thing you need. You're definitely going to need a large diversity of backlinks, and you need to be very conservative and not overdo it with those weblogs. Again, you can put your link in the middle of some text. Each of these blogs allows you to put your keyword anchor text on the link to your website, and you can use them for very long. And in order to look more natural, I would make the weblog um, about your website a little bit in the same area. So, for example, if your website is about personal improvement, then the weblog that you would create on ASU would be about personal improvement, and you could put a lot of articles about your own experience and put 1 or 2 backlinks from several of those articles to your website where you would be selling personal improvement products. Okay. And of course, as I mentioned, this is not the only strategy that you need to use. You need to use several different strategies. So I've added a bonus that will give you for free a $28 value, a 5-pack of edu uh, wikis where you can leave your backlinks as well. This is a very powerful set of sites because they have very high authority and very high page rank. Some of the edu wikis are no follow, some are do follow, but that doesn't really matter. What matters is that those sites have incredible authority. Every site that I included in my edu wiki product, edu emulation, here this is the name of the product, then every one of those sites has authority of 75 or more out of 100. Authority is actually measured by, is a measure implemented by um, Open Site Explorer, which we're going to switch to next. I'm going to pause the video for a second so we can switch to that site, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so now we're on Open Site Explorer, and let's look at, for example, the profile of purdue.edu. Barbara sent me an email. Thank you, Barbara. Okay, so it's looking for that information. As you can see, the domain authority, which is what we care about, is 94 out of 100. That's incredible. That's absolutely impossible to achieve for .coms and any website. Even sites like CNN, they have authority of 85 and 90, and this is why edu sites are so attractive. This is why they're so important. I'll do another video on Open Site Explorer, but right now we're concentrating on the bonus and on the edu Surge product from Ian. Okay, so my bonus again is worth $28. It's actually selling every day on the Warrior Forum for $28. And what you get is you will get, you can sign up for my mailing list. Don't bother if you're already on my list, and then you get the 5-pack that you bought. You click, you can save it. I'm going to cancel out. And then you get a couple of really good surprise bonuses. Conrad Brown, my friend, who is currently living in Thailand, he's actually really living the internet style lifestyle. Um, he wrote a nice ebook about private blog networks. I think you should definitely download it. Rick Hodge, affiliate hijack method. If you have any kind of affiliate um, products, you should read that. And then this software from Rob Maggs, you get that free. It will help you leave comments on blogs. I personally don't use that kind of stuff because I think commenting en masse on blogs is a little bit spammy, but if you don't have a problem with that, this software will help you do that. And those are 3 surprise bonuses that you will get if you buy through my link and get the 5-pack. So now how to get the 5-pack? The Warrior Plus system is slightly non-functional right now, so if you don't get the bonus when you buy Ian's product through my link, then you can always email me with your PayPal transaction ID, and I'll be sending you the bonus right away. The URL of this page that I'm on right now, you'll receive it in your email right away. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Joe Finn, I'm signing off. It's raining again. Wow. Yeah, today is June 4th and it's raining in the Bay Area. This is absolutely unbelievably unusual. I've lived here for 25 years and this is only the first or second time that this happens so late in the year. Usually when my birthday rolls around, which is May 28th, then we're done with the rain. This is very unusual. Anyway, signing off, Joe Finn. See you next time.